Welcome back. We're in the big case loading shovel and we're going to load the muck spreader. So without listening to me, let's get on with having some power. I want to know how my drone's got all cow poo over it. Yeah, never mind. Just look at this. Just tearing into this heap. That little bit hanging over there, we'll just bulldoze into that. That thing there that I'm pushing is the maximum power. So if I push it right down, oh yes, that's it. Just gonna get a good run up. Show you how much power it's got. 12.5 ton lift capacity this has got. So off we go. Oh, that's it. Charge! Look at that! Didn't even struggle. Unbelievable. The old window's a little bit dirty, even though I wiped it the other day. Where is he? Here he comes. Right, putting the slurry door down. What's he doing? He's moving. That's it. Look at that. Don't want to put it in too much or else it bounces the spreader. Takes about 3 buckets to fill it. Because this is a big rock bucket, you see. It's mainly used for rock. I should have a bigger bucket on it, really. Now what we do, we aim at the heap and we apply maximum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. No problem at all. Makes my big JCB look like a toy. That's it. Half the time when you go muck spreading is spent loading it, because it takes quite a bit of digging out when it's well rotten in the heat. But not with this, it's just, we're just tearing it out. Not going to take long to do this at all. Not quite a full bucket in there. I have to let him go so it don't get stuck under that slurry door. Alright. Usually with the JCB they do struggle to break this stuff out quite a bit because it all goes really hard, whereas I'm like, oh yes, that's it, boom boom boom, not even a struggle. So this is actually a rock bucket. It's made for obviously rock, not for muck, so we should have a bigger bucket, but I haven't got one. That's it, full power. Oh yeah. Not even a, oh, it's just so powerful. Did it earlier where I got 2 of those buckets that full, it filled the whole entire spreader. Just a shame it's got earth moving tyres on it instead of agricultural tyres, get a bit more grip. Massive bucket full. Oh, you got a hole here, you could have got even more in there. Sit, in we go. When you sit in the cab, you actually sit like as high as the tractor cab, but on top of the roof, if you know what I mean. These are the rotors. And that's the big slurry door that opens that I've just been showing you. Boom! Look at it, it don't even stop, look. Go steady on the old bunny muck spreader. Bit windy again today as well. Oh! Should drive down the side of it, see if we can get any muck coming the window. There it is, starting to move along, look. There it is, starting to come out the back. I'm getting out the way, I'm getting out the way. Getting into the middle of the heap now, and it's getting a bit slippy on the old earth moving tyres. She's still having it, but come on, girl. Come on, that's it. Yeehaw. Getting well across the field now, and the heat is nearly gone. Probably about 3 more loads, I reckon. And this has been amazing. What a difference to having this compared to a JCB. Just a shame it wasn't on agricultural tyres. They've still got loads of tread on, but they want like big V bits into grip. But it's doing alright, it's doing alright. This stinks. Absolutely stinks. Free fertilizer. Oh look, it's nearly all gone. I think we've got about 3 buckets left, but we just need to clear up. So if I just race through the middle here. Ah! That's it. Come on. Yes! Have you ever seen a 30-ton loading shovel drift? Hold tight. Yeah, baby! She's having it. Woohoo! Let's go again. This is an end of spreading cow poo. She's having it. Woo! So that is the muck heap spread for another year. The loading shovel has performed wonders. It has made my life so much quicker. That usually takes us all day. Probably taken us not even half the day because the loading's been so fast. So yeah, let me know what you think to the old girl. Muck heap is now finished. Now, what are we doing next? We're going to be doing some real earth moving. We now have some serious power. Right then everybody, until next time, we'll see you later.